beluga guide. I'm here at a very special spot called Beluga Point on the shores of Turnagain Arm in our home region of Cook Inlet, Alaska. We're here today to film a 5-minute virtual naturalist visit. Video is being filmed for the Natural History of the Pacific Northwest class at the University of Washington. I figured Beluga Point was the perfect place to film our 5-minute beluga natural history lesson today because one, it's only a stone's throw away from Alaska's largest city, Anchorage. Right where we're standing is one of the best spots to see beluga whales in the wild anywhere in the world. Archaeological site. Hunting tools dating up to 7,000 years old have been found here on the rocks around us. And lastly, because a lesson about our beluga's natural history isn't complete without talking about their connection to another species, us.
As we get started, I want to acknowledge that the original inhabitants of the Upper Cook Inlet region are the Dena'ina Athabascan people. Traditionally a hunter-gatherer culture, we would like to take a moment to acknowledge their connections, past and present, to this land.
Today, Beluga Point is named after the local population of beluga whales that inhabit Cook Inlet, which surround Anchorage. Inlet is a massive glacial watershed that flows into the Gulf of Alaska and the greater Pacific Ocean. Cook Inlet is characterized by expansive mudflats, extreme tidal fluctuations, and silty brackish water. Our local beluga population live exclusively and year-round in Cook Inlet. Researchers think that they've been separated from other beluga populations by the Alaska Peninsula for several thousand years. They often swim near shore where they are highly visible, chasing spawning fish such as salmon, which are swimming up towards glacially fed rivers and streams. Our Cook Inlet belugas are also a distinct population segment. They persist in an unusual ecological setting for beluga. They are outside the historical range of this otherwise abundant species. They even possess a unique genetic haplotype that differentiates them from other beluga. That means that they are biologically meaningful. So if we lose them, that would result in a significant range gap for their taxa. In 2008, the same year that the Cook Inlet beluga population was marked as a distinct population segment, they were also listed as endangered under the Endangered Species Act. In 2012, they were listed as critically endangered by the IUCN. In 2018, the current population estimate was listed at 279. The initial decline of their population was attributed to overharvesting. Since hunting has stopped, their overall population has not rebounded. The area surrounding Anchorage also provides habitat for Alaska's largest human population of roughly 400,000 individuals. Because of their proximity to the burgeoning metropolis of Anchorage, they face a variety of threats. Those threats include noise, habitat loss, prey availability, and catastrophic events such as oil spills and mass strandings. All of these threats, as well as climate change, are likely working together to prevent their recovery. That's why Beluga Whale Alliance's boots on the ground work is so vital to the Cook Inlet population's recovery. We invite locals and visitors out to Beluga Watch with us to count belugas and observe their activities, so people can learn about them, appreciate them, and help save them. Since we still don't know what's exactly causing their numbers to dwindle, it's more important now than ever before to spread awareness and mitigate threats. BWA's vision is to create a shared future where both belugas and humans thrive. We think the story of our beluga whales is definitely one for the natural history book. Thanks for joining us. I hope you learned something new about our fascinating focal species and the work we do to prevent their extinction.